Lahat na pumunta dito at nagtyagang magpag-usap sa amin. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat sa mga pumunta and sa mga questions nyo. And please watch out for the finale. It will be on October 8 po.
And yun po, meron po kaming wellness fair sa October 8 din sa venue rin ng Inares sa Arena sa Pasig. So, umaga pa lang po, meron ng mga activities po, booth, mga health tips po sa mga coaches. So, umaga pa lang po, punta na po kayo doon.
We just want to thank you for all of you for supporting us and watching the show. As much as we have inspired you, your support helps us to keep us going with our weight loss. Again, we hope to see all of you at the finals finale of October 8 in our stadium.
I'd like to take this opportunity also to thank the press for coming here, and also the June Santiago for taking us. Biggest Loser Camp has changed our lives. I'd like to thank the cameraman also, lahat. Even yung dalawang contestant nandito rin, si Dessing at si Gilay. Yung mga magandang contestant namin nandito rin. And of course, the Coach Kikay, Coach Jim, and the Dean, and the SEs.
Thank you po sa pagpunta po and for asking yung mga question. And sana po makapanood kayo ng finale po sa October 8. And makapollow niyo po sa Twitter, twitter.com/BL Pinoy Edition.
Yeah.